Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off your dark mode of Instagram. So first we go to our Instagram, we go to our profile on Instagram, we click on three lines at top right here and go to settings and go to theme, last one here. From here we can choose whether we need our Instagram in light mode or dark mode, or make it change your system default. So if your system is in dark mode, it will be in dark. If your system in light mode, it will be in light. So from this you can change your theme. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.